This is Brett Mooney with SkipperBud's. I'm going to take you on a tour of this 2014 JC 24 Sporttoon. This is the premium model from JC Boats. I'll take you through the interior, but worth noting the underside of this boat, full aluminum skin, and hard to see in the dark here, but the pontoons are a U shape instead of a round shape, so the walls actually go straight up to the aluminum decking, so that gives a nice channel for water to run through. They're also larger pontoons than a traditional round tune and thicker aluminum gauge. This particular owner used this boat for Lake Michigan boating, which there's not a ton of Tritoons that you would feel comfortable out in Lake Michigan wave action. It's a traditional L-shaped seat, ski locker, a couple of trash cans, flip out the backside here, cooler, insulated cooler, power bimini top, GPS, adjustable captain seat. The sun lounge there will actually flip up, and there's a changing curtain in there. This boat's with an Evinrude 250 horsepower and the upgraded swim steps. Removable table. Again, trash can on either side there.